Welcome. I'm Deepak Takkar, the Managing Director at Takkar Polychem Pvt Ltd. My entrepreneur journey started when I joined my father in the year 1992. We are currently manufacturing specialized compound and master batches for various industries like wire and cable, automotive and medical industries. We are manufacturing 100% eco-friendly product like RoHS and RoHS-compliant. The products we are manufacturing are according to Indian standard, US standard, Canadian standard and European standard. We look forward to working with you and growing our businesses together.
Namaste, I am Amit Takkar, Director Finance and Commercial at Takkar Polychem Pvt Ltd. I joined our venture in 2007 after 7 years of corporate experience with a vision of growth and expansion. Presently, we have our production capacity of 18,000 metric ton per annum and we are in process of installing new machines to make it till 30,000 metric ton per annum. We also have in-house R&D and testing facility, which is our core strength. We are constantly adopting new technologies and offering our customers innovative solutions that help them grow their businesses. Our prime objective at Takkar Polychem is to be pioneer in manufacturing eco-friendly and safe products for growing India.